Hello, I'm Ellen Saul. I'm one of the teachers and mentors for the symbol paper writing class. Lorraine and I are going to be working on this together, and we are excited for you to be part of this.
Yes, and I'm Lorraine Friedel, and just super excited to be working with Ellen again and playing again together with this topic. And just so excited that you're going to join us in this six session series. It'll be on select Friday afternoons in the US and evenings. And then if you're in the Asian countries or Australia, it would be Saturday, and the Europeans will somewhere in between.
So this class came about because a lot of people said, I'm really having a hard time writing my symbol paper, and I don't know where to start, and I'm feeling like I'm all alone doing this. And so we realized that coming together as a group would be a way of supporting each other and making a safe space to do this exploration of a symbol. But this class is really going to be about connecting on a very personal, experiential level.
Yeah, and by having that relationship, all sorts of magic happens. People seem to get in the flow of the writing and get to that deeper level of connection with the symbol and all the dimensions of the symbol. Process unfolds often like a sand play process.
And interestingly enough, not only are people getting their symbol papers written and moving towards their certification, if that's something that they want to do. And I've had a couple of people say, I think I could probably present this at a national conference. And so we're working on that presentation as a further amplification of their work with their symbol.
Super excited. Look forward to seeing you all and know that you're welcome. And it will be quite a journey together.
We'd love to see you in class.